If you're short on time, but you really want to focus on sculpting and shaping your arms and shoulders, this workout is for you. In this workout, we are going to be targeting our biceps, our triceps, and a little bit of our shoulders throughout this workout. All you need is a set of dumbbells. I want you to remember that during strength training workouts, your rest periods are really important, because during that rest period, you are allowing your muscles to recover so that you can come back even stronger your next set and do more reps or use heavier weight. And this is going to play a huge role in the weeks to come as you repeat this workout to shape and sculpt your upper body. If you are new to your strength training journey, please be sure to join the Strong Sisters United community. We have a Facebook group and we would love for you to be a part of it so we can encourage you and cheer you on along the way. And let's get warming up. But before we get into it, I want to tell you about the new fun form of cardio that I have been doing. I recently got the Yeou GM1 Plus spin bike, and this is such a great dupe for Peloton. It is way more affordable, and the screen on this thing is insane. I literally was watching Netflix. I was watching some of my favorite YouTubers. It's so easy to just cast from your phone or your iPad right up onto the screen. And mind you, this screen is huge. And if you're like me and cardio just sometimes feels boring, this is going to be a feature that you will absolutely get so much use out of on this bike as well. I just love watching my favorite vloggers or like Netflix shows. It makes it way more cozy and fun. Not only is this screen massive, but it also rotates 360 degrees all the way around. I don't yet own spin bike shoes, but it's really easy to slip into these with your regular sneakers. It's so easy to set the speed to go higher or lower, and there's a really nice spot for you to put your water bottle, your phone, anything that you want to have with you when you're getting ready for your ride. I also love using their app because they have tons of different rides that you can choose from, and having a guided workout makes it so much more fun. So now let's get into our guided workout. The first exercise we're going to be doing is a dumbbell curl, holding each head of a dumbbell. I want you to focus on keeping your elbows pinned to your sides and slowly curling that dumbbell up towards your collarbone and back down towards your hips. Then we're going to superset this with just one dumbbell, doing an overhead tricep extension. So you're going to hold one head of the dumbbell and place the dumbbell over your head, bend your elbows to get a stretch in the back of your arm, and extend. For this next exercise, you're gonna grab a dumbbell and have one in each hand. Keep your elbows down by your side, and you're going to curl the dumbbell up towards your shoulder, doing a hammer curl, and then slowly release the dumbbells back down to your sides, doing a wide curl. So we're gonna go hammer curl and slowly down through a wide curl, and repeat. Next move is a tricep kickback. You're going to hold the dumbbell in each hand, bend at the hips so your upper body is parallel to the floor, keep your elbows pinned by your side, and you're gonna have a 90-degree angle at your elbow, and then extend your arms, squeezing those triceps. If you don't feel this, just take this movement very slow. This exercise took me quite a long time and a lot of practice to really feel. We're also going to target a little bit of our shoulders in this workout, so the next 2 exercises are going to be shoulder focused. You're going to hold a dumbbell in each hand, and we're going to alternate shoulder pressing 1 dumbbell overhead at a time. I want you to focus on inhaling at the bottom and exhaling when you're pressing that dumbbell up over your head. This next shoulder exercise will be targeting the front of our shoulders, and we're gonna be doing a front raise. You're gonna hold each head of 1 dumbbell and raise the dumbbell up to either your collarbone height or right in front of your face. I like to keep a slight bend in my elbows. That's gonna be a little bit more comfortable on your shoulders and the movement in general. All right, let's finish strong. I hope you loved this quick and effective arm workout, and I can't wait to see you in the next workout that we do. If you're not sure what workout to do next, be sure to check out the playlists on Strong Sisters United YouTube channel. Here you can find tons of different workouts that you can do, and you can also go over to my Instagram channel and tap on calendars on my highlight tab, and you can even screenshot and follow along to any of those calendars. I'll see you in the next workout.